So today I am going to be conducting an experiment. I want to know if I can turn this full coverage bra into a bra like this. This is a push-up bra. You can see it gives you that lift, that pushed in look. And as you know, not all bras work for every breast shape. So some people just cannot wear this shape. So can you turn a full coverage bra into a push-up bra using these little silicone inserts? Now comment below, do you think that this bra will turn into that push-up bra, yes or no? Comment below and you will be entered to win a set of these. So do you think it's going to work, yes or no? Because sometimes you have outfits and your full coverage bra just isn't going to cut the mustard. You want something that gives you a little bit more push, a bit more lift. And although a full coverage bra is great, sometimes it's just not doing that for you. So these little things might be the solution. So what happens with these is they go inside your bra. So I'm just gonna turn around so you don't get a full eyeful. No peeking, no peeking. What do we think? I think it's working. Now, what I want to take a look at is to make sure that I'm not spilling or out of this cup. And you can see there is no spill whatsoever. And there's no gapping. I've not got a per cup size, I promise you. And this is the size I would normally wear. The reason that this is working is because I have just put the cups at the bottom of this bra and it's just pushing my breast tissue up, as you can see. So I would say that yes, you can turn a full coverage bra into a push-up bra.